May 15th, and here we are. We are continuation of the bottom skin on this wing. Today we're going to start off by countersinking, dimpling that leading edge skin. We'll get that done. Oh yeah, I got transfer drill first. We'll get that done and then go on from there. Just a little update on our progress today. Not doing much time-lapse stuff. It's just a repeat of everything we've ever done before. But we got our dimpling done, countersink. We got it final sized up to a 30. We've got it deburred in there. The underside of the skin and the underside of the spar has been deburred, and we're going to vacuum the inside of the wing with our, we kind of had to red green this up here. Well, we got a brush off of a different vacuum cleaner and it doesn't fit on the hose, so we just put a little duct tape on it and away we go. Well, we're done for today. Got the flush rivets done in the spar. So that's a good, happy to be done with that. That was a kind of a tedious job, doing all that drilling, transfer drilling, dimpling, countersinking, final sizing it, cleaning, sanding, all deburring the underside. That was really a pain to get in there to get that all cleaned out, but we got her done. I've had to fabricate a few hand tools to get in there to get that done. I guess we had them left over from last time, but got that done and got her riveted. Again, we wet riveted this. Oh, and I was going to say, take care of your tools and they'll take care of you. Always make sure that when you're, what are you laughing at? Always make sure that if you're wet riveting, make sure you clean out that riveter when you're done. We use that Milwaukee riveter and it's pretty easy. The tip unscrews off of there, then you unscrew the body out of it and just, you can take the jaws out and clean all that stuff, which that's what we did. That's what I did. Cleaned it all up, so it's ready to go for tomorrow when we come up and finish riveting this wing. Looking forward to being done with this and moving on to the next thing. Not sure what that's going to be, if we're going to start doing tail cone for fuselage, or we might start working on those fuel tanks up there. We'll see. But yeah, that's all we got for today. So thanks for the comments and suggestions and questions. If you're liking the video, give me a thumbs up, and have a good evening. And that's it for now.